Today we're making microwave mug cakes. You'll need self-raising flour,
4 tablespoons,
caster sugar,
4 tablespoons,
cocoa powder,
3 tablespoons,
1 egg,
3
milk, or 3 tablespoons of milk, and 3 tablespoons of oil, Nutella, and a whisk.
Yes.
Let's go.
First things first, tip all the dry ingredients in. And then you get your glamorous assistant, which is standing behind us, to whisk. He's never whisked before. Perfect whisker. Once it's whisked enough, pour some milk in, whisk it. Crack in an egg. Then add the oil. As the glamorous assistant's arms get tired, keep on whisking. And then add the Nutella. It'll go a bit lumpy, but don't worry about it. Keep on mixing and it'll soon go. 2 spoons will be enough because it's quite chocolatey with it.
You get to lick the spoon afterwards.
Yeah. 1 for the camera crew and 1 for
The assistant.
the assistant. Hold off the assistant. Then when it's whisked, looks good, is enough, that's it. And then you spoon them into a cup when he finishes licking the whisk. You spoon it into a cup. As you can see, it's running. Just even it out a bit so they're not too bad, they're roughly the same size. And then I'll just go in the microwave then for a couple of minutes, 2 maybe 3 minutes, you'll tell. You can see, you can check it. It'll be alright to open the microwave and close it, it won't do it no harm. But I normally leave it in for about 2 minutes, I should think. This size cup.
Will this have the melty in the middle?
Yeah, hopefully. You can stick chocolate in the centre of it as well, like a piece of Yorkie, Galaxy, something like that, and then it'll just be hot chocolate in the very centre. But we haven't got any. We got people in this house that see chocolate, and that is it, it's gone. And that's really it.
Ta-da!
That's all we've got to do now. Take the metal things off, because I forgot they were still on, because they won't go in the microwave with them on. Excuse the mess around the side. And then put them in the microwave, which will be done by my assistant. 1 at a time, for 2 minutes. Just press number 2.
Ta-da!